What's up, guys? Me and Robert, we just arrived here at this little lake called Soapstone Trail. Soapstone Lake Trail. Not gonna be a super long hike today, but we hope that we can find some sundews along the trail today. That's our main goal of being here. And just hang out by the lake for a little bit. It's a little frog lake, so hopefully we'll see a bunch of frogs and maybe some other critters. But yeah, let's hit the trail. Guys, this forest is so amazing. It is so beautiful here. I just love all these giant trees, these mega tall ferns, all the greenery. Seen like 10 mushrooms already. So beautiful. And hopefully soon we'll find some sundews. Been keeping an eye out for them. I'm sure they're going to be a little bit smaller. And they're going to be more of in like the marshy kind of areas. We got some coral mushrooms here, which is pretty cool. Haven't seen these kind before.
We saw them in...
I approve. So this is actually like my first hike like into the forest here in the Pacific Northwest. I've done some like trails where I've like climbed up mountains and stuff, but this isn't one of those. This is like deeper and deeper into the forest. It's really cool because I'm seeing a lot of stuff I didn't really think I'd be seeing. Like those mushrooms, just mushrooms like crazy. I love mushrooms. I'm really hoping I can find some edible mushrooms. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, this trail has not been disappointing at all. Such a nice little trail. Check this moss out, guys. Looks so comfortable. Little bird's nest fungus for you. Those things are like tiny, tiny. Not tiny, 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 but just tiny, tiny. Find a little side trail over here. I think it might lead to a creek or something. If there's a creek over here, I feel like that's our best chance to find the sundews. Oh, look at that guy. Not sure what that is. I'm not gonna touch it or pick it or eat it or anything. What are the chances of me finding some amanita this late? Or not amanita. Finding some morels this late in the year? None? Pretty much zero? Guys, look at this massive tree. Look how big this thing is. And that's not even like the biggest cedar tree I've seen out here either. That's just like one of the easiest ones I can get to. That's still pretty decent sized. I think that one right there might be bigger actually. How cool. I just love these giant trees so much. This old growth forest. So amazing. Guys, look at this monster stump here. It's almost like a size of a redwood or something. Maybe not quite as big, but look how beautiful it is. It's so sad because it's like the biggest trees are all cut down. Really wish I could have been here before the logging company got to all the trees. It's a real shame. I don't think they left any trees this size, because that is a monster tree. All right, guys, I think I found the largest tree in the forest. And you know, I'm always on the side quest to find large trees. So I'm gonna walk down here and just show you exactly how large it is. Look at this monster. The giant cedar tree.
There's a skunk cabbage. I believe this is where we find some sundews.
Oh, good.
This looks like...
Ooh, this looks like prime sundew area.
Yeah. Okay, I don't really want to get too much in this.
I know, I don't either, but would be like the perfect spot to find them in this little bog. I just don't want to like lose a boot in the bog.
Yeah, I feel like I'm just kind of like tearing this ground up a little bit too much.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. I'm sinking. I don't want to. Oh man, I know this is where they would be too.
Huh?
It's just you can't walk through there without sinking in the mud. It really stinks. And it's like a really delicate ecosystem, so it's like I don't really want to trample on that. We're going real slow and quiet, guys, just in case we see frogs. Don't see any. Doesn't mean they're not here, though. Oh, look, a salamander. Oh, wow, bunch of salamanders. That is so sick, guys. Just crazy salamander spot. Did not know that coming up here. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many to count. There's like 30 salamanders right here. Salamanders all over the place here, guys. Yeah, I'm feeling a little soft. Guys, that was like some top tier lake action, if you ask me. There's probably thousands of salamanders in there. And it makes me kind of wonder, does that mean there's like no fish in there whatsoever? Because if there's fish, they'd be eating them. And those things are just like running wild, doing whatever they want. So even if we don't find the sundews, that made it super worth it. There's the sundew. What's really cool about these things is these are actually a type of carnivorous plant. You see those little droplets on them? Those will get insects. Those attract the insects to them, and then they're so sticky that the insects can't escape. That is so awesome, guys. What a wonderful trip. They're actually all over the place here. Yes. Those are the round leaf sundews right there. And this is the second time I've seen them ever in my life. I found them once before in North Carolina. And in North Carolina, you can find picture plants. You can find Venus flytraps and sundews. And it's pretty cool. You can find multiple different kinds of sundews and multiple different kinds of pitcher plants in the right space. Maybe I'll take you guys there one day. Probably not this year, but maybe one day. So be sure to subscribe so you can see that. Join me on my planty finding adventures. Well, guys, we found the sundews. Been sitting here for a minute. I think it's time that we head back to the car. If you guys like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. I'm just going to get back to the car, and I will see you guys next week. Hope you enjoyed finding the sundews. If you made it this far, you're awesome. I do have my 1 year anniversary coming up in September, so I was wanting to do maybe like a little Q&A thing. I'm not really sure if I'm going to have enough questions for that, but if you have any questions for me that you want me to answer, I'll give you a shout out, and I will, try my best to answer the question for you. Ask me anything. I'm not for sure going to answer your questions, but you can definitely ask me whatever you want.